Clinton with Hellgate Equipment, looking at a 2024 John Deere 4075R. This tractor has a snow cab, R4 tires, and at the moment I have a brand new 440R non-self-leveling 2-function loader on a pallet that can go on this tractor. The 2024 model year now has LED lighting all the way around. Have the new heavy-duty front axle. Engine oil was just serviced, nothing else is due. These are 75 or slightly under horsepower, so there's no requirement for DEF. 2 rear mechanical remotes, rear license plate bracket with a light, LED beacon, rear lights, rear wiper, fender controls, and actually if you look really close, this tractor is getting a new fender. They must have bumped it. Air ride seat, of course, 3-speed hydrostatic. The new electro-hydraulic 3-point hitch control. $205 engine hours. Looks like a full tank of fuel too. Look at that. You mentioned this video, I'll give you a bottle of eye drops.